It could be embarrassing. A roofing company with a roof leak. Well, we don't see it like that. Roof leaks happens in the best of families. Here's the story of how we dodged a 60,000 renovation nightmare. Leaking roofs can be expensive. In many cases, you find them when water has started leaking into the building, and that can be very expensive. In this case, we installed the VILPE Sense system to our roof, and it notified us that something was off, so we started investigating. Instead of tearing up half of our 16,500 square meter factory roof, the system pinpointed the issue to just 125 square meters. That precision saved us a fortune. During the renovation, the wool insulation, felt and vapor barrier were replaced in an area of 115 square meters. Estimated repair costs without the VILPE Sense system were 60,000 euros, and now we only paid 15,000. If we would have had the VILPE Sense system installed here from the beginning, we would have gotten everything done for 1,000 to 2,000 euros. Also, if you ask follow-up questions about the VILPE Sense system, that would be great.